Hello everyone, welcome to Metro Properties. Today, let us have a look at the 2 BHK flat located in my home Vihanga. I believe everyone is aware of my home constructions. So Vihanga is located in Financial District, which is at very throwaway distance from Wipro Junction, which is located in Financial District, Nanakramgura. Today, let's have a look at the 2 BHK, which is semi-furnished, which is of 1275 SFT west facing ground floor with one car parking and decent interiors. Let's have a look at the flat first. So that's the view of the flat. That's the living room. It comes with a fan and the tube lights, all electrical fittings. Now let's have a look around the master bedroom. The master bedroom is coming with a cot and a mattress, along with the cupboards. All interiors are being done, as I said, and it comes with a AC as well. The master bedroom, and you can just have a look at the AC here. That's AC, and that's the interiors. All cupboards are decently done, and the table setup has been done where you can work from home if you are working. And let's look at the toilet now. Even it's a resale, 3 to 4 years old, the flat is maintained very well, and it comes with a partition glass in the toilet. The anti-skid tiling with the geyser as well. The two toilets coming with two geysers. So let's look at the common area and a common toilet. It comes with one attached and one common toilet, and this is the common toilet. That's hand wash area, wash basin with some storage underneath. That's a crockery unit and a dining hall where you can put your dining table here. And I've got very nice ventilation in this flat, and a small area has been allocated for performing puja. And we've got a balcony here which is very much ventilated, and there's nice ventilation all around the house. That's the view outside the flat, where that's a walk area and a small clubhouse. That's second clubhouse which is located in Vihanga, which we have seen. Let's come back to the kitchen area, where all the modular kitchen with standard fittings has been done, with plenty of storage and a chimney. All fittings are being done. And again, there's a nice ventilation. I believe there's no need to use a light in the daytime here. And let's look at the utility area. That's the storage. Let's look at the utility area, where you can fix your washing machine, dry your clothes. We got ample amount of space here, and that's a view, the rear view of the outside. So that's the kitchen area. So let's check the second bedroom now. And the second bedroom is coming up with one cot and standard fittings like a light and a fan. It doesn't have a mattress. And this is how it looks like. And you do have the cupboards, all interiors done. This is what we can look at it. So let's have a look at the cupboards, all the shelves, which have been nicely done, clean and well maintained. Even though if it's a 3 to 4 years old, the flat is pretty much maintained well. Just to wind up, The My Home Vihanga's flat. This is a 2 BHK resale 1275 SFT west facing ground floor. It's coming with one car parking and it's a semi furnished flat. This is very good value for money whether you want to rent it or you want to live it, whether you're looking for investment purpose. This is value for money. The price quoted is 1 crore rupees. If you like a video, please like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you very much for watching our video. Have a nice day. See you soon.